from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
New Medicaid requirements could affect more than 20,000 Henrico residents. And we take a look at where traffic crashes happened earlier this year in the county. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute for Thursday, August 27th, 2026. We're headed to a high of 93 today under mostly sunny skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by RVA Counseling.
And now for the news.
An estimated 21,716 people in Henrico will be required to submit proof of employment or community engagement to remain enrolled in Medicaid starting next year, according to county leaders. At a Board of Supervisors work session on Tuesday, Social Services Director Gretchen Brown said that nearly one-third of the 70,555 total people in the county enrolled in Medicaid health care coverage will need to adhere to the new work requirements that are mandated by House Resolution 1, also known as the Big Beautiful Bill, passed last summer by Congress. The new requirements would mandate Medicaid enrollees ages 19 to 64 demonstrate they've worked at least 80 hours a month, a monthly income of $580, or that they have participated in a work training program, education program, or community service for 80 hours a month in order to continue receiving benefits. Enrollees now will be required to demonstrate eligibility every 6 months instead of annually, which will increase the workload for the Social Services Department, according to Brown. She also warned of the impacts of more people going without health insurance for some period of time and the effect that could have on the community at large. The Social Services Department is anticipating a bigger workload for an already understaffed team. Its benefits team already has 16 vacancies. The county is going to fund 7 new social services positions next month designed to help ease the additional workload. You can read much more right now on our website from our government and education reporter, Leanna Hardy. 322 people were injured and 4 were killed in crashes in Henrico this May. That's the most recent month for which that data is available. Those were the results of 453 crashes countywide. Almost half of those incidents involved one injury or death at a minimum. The crash hotspots were West Broad Street near John Rolfe Parkway, which witnessed 6 crashes, the Dumbarton Road area, which saw 5, 9 Mile Road near Kenway Avenue, which saw 4, as did 3 Chopped Road at Gaskins Road, I-95 in the Brook Road area. This analysis comes as part of a new initiative we launched yesterday called Henrico Crash Tracker. Using data from the county and state, we will present a month-by-month look at crash totals countywide as soon as that data becomes available each month. You can find this first edition right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Well, Virginia residents now can add their state-issued driver's licenses and ID cards to Apple Wallet, allowing them to use an iPhone or Apple Watch to verify their identities at airports, DMV locations, and a growing number of businesses. DMV officials made the announcement yesterday. It makes Virginia the latest state to offer digital identification through Apple Wallet. Officials caution that residents should continue carrying their physical driver's licenses or ID cards as a backup, particularly when driving. You can visit our website and look for this article to find instructions about how to add your ID to your Apple Wallet. And yesterday, officials gathered at the Primrose School of Glen Allen's future site on Staples Mill Road to break ground on a new early childhood education facility that will transform a vacant former Walgreens pharmacy. Franchise owners Zeal Desai Patel and Ratish Patel plan to invest approximately $9 million to convert the 11,500 square foot building at 9501 Staples Mill Road into that child care facility. It'll serve infants through age 5. Plans also include an outdoor play area. They're expected to serve as many as 160 children and create more than 20 jobs. And a quick note, we'll take a few days break from the News Minute. I'll be traveling out of town, but we'll return early next week. Hope you all have a great end to your week and weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by RVA Counseling. You don't have to wait until you're in crisis to prioritize your mental health. At RVA Counseling, their team of therapists and psychiatric providers offers compassionate, personalized care for children, teens, adults, couples, and families. Through therapy, medication management, and a collaborative approach to treatment, they're here to support your growth, healing, and well-being. They're now accepting new clients in the Richmond area and throughout Virginia. You can schedule an appointment today and take the first step toward feeling better. Call RVA Counseling at 804-716-0428 or visit rvacounseling.com.